Well, good evening. From rain to icy roads, drivers in KELOLAND are dealing with a mixed bag of weather conditions.
Tonight, we look at another concern travelers will want to know about.
If you're traveling in KELOLAND tonight, be prepared for potentially tough traveling weather. The South Dakota Highway Patrol says law enforcement has already been responding to crashes and slide-ins in the northeastern part of the state. Truck driver Daniel Barrett of Hartford planned on hauling fertilizer to North Dakota today, but that trip was called off because of weather conditions.
The ice will actually make your trailer jump back and forth, and that wind will make it even more sketchy.
The South Dakota Department of Transportation has been monitoring roads and treating icy areas. A concern as we head into the evening is high wind gusts. They could be as high as 60 miles an hour across KELOLAND.
Well, anytime you get the winds like this, 60 miles an hour makes travel difficult, whether you're a high-profile vehicle or even a passenger-type vehicles.
It's not known if that will blow around the snow on the ground that's already been rained on.
There's potential for some low visibilities if that wind does pick up that snow in the overnight hours, along with some icy roads, going to create some very difficult travel conditions.
If you plan on hitting the road, be sure to check the weather and road conditions before you head out.